I think many Americans find it hard to believe that there was an opposition to our Constitution, that in fact it wasn't a foregone conclusion we would get a Constitution. It was a very controversial process, the ratification process, where each state held a special convention and they sent delegates and they decided up or down, single up or down vote. And it was close in a lot of places, and had a few things happen differently, the Constitution might have been rejected. I think it comes as a big surprise to people that this Constitution, which we now all venerate, was a controversial idea when it was first proposed. So who were these people who were against the Constitution? Well, they were never very happy with their name. The Federalists, and we like to say that the winners often write history, the Federalists called them Anti-Federalists, and of course they felt like they were true Federalists. They believed in a confederated form of government. One Anti-Federalist, when he served in the first Congress, quipped that if the Anti-Federalists had won, and since the battle was a struggle over ratification, perhaps the two names should have been rats and anti-rats. But again, since history is written by the winning side, in this case Federalists, we talk about Federalists and Anti-Federalists, not rats and anti-rats. So among the Anti-Federalists, the ones we're most likely to know today are people like Patrick Henry and George Mason. Virginia produced a very impressive group of Anti-Federalists. And of course, their opposition to the Constitution stemmed from a commitment to states' rights, to a fear that a powerful federal government would be tyrannical, to a belief that only a government that remained fairly close to the people could be properly checked, and that we were going to try something that had never been tried before and was likely going to fail, and the risk was too great to adopt this Constitution. And of course, one thing that many people were concerned about was there was no Bill of Rights.